Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you've joined us today. We are going to be making a simple yet delightful Korean cucumber sesame salad. And it's made with cucumbers from my friend's allotment. And I just want to give a little plug for C2C allotment over there in Kingsthorpe. They're doing a fantastic job, and this is where I got the cucumber from. So I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this recipe, and let's get cooking. The star of the show is, of course, the cucumber. Then we have chili flakes, sesame seeds, teriyaki sauce, apple cider vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce and honey. Very simple ingredients. The first thing I did was to slice the cucumber using a mandolin so that we got really thin slices. After which we put kitchen paper underneath and on top to soak off that excess water. Pour your 2 tablespoons of vinegar into a bowl. Next, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then 2 teaspoons of honey. A teaspoon of soy sauce. Then half a teaspoon of teriyaki sauce. And finally, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. And then we're going to mix all of our ingredients together until they're thoroughly combined. Place your cucumbers in a bowl and then pour your sauce over the cucumbers and stir that in so all of the sauce is covering the cucumbers. Sprinkle the completed salad with a little bit of sesame seeds, a little bit of chili flakes, and you're good to go. Here we have our cucumber sesame salad, or as the Koreans would say, oi muchim. I hope that you've enjoyed today's recipe and that you will give it a try. Until next time, take care, be in good health, and God bless. From Forever Vegan Inspo.